Intermediate and advanced sewers with a bit more money to spend give the feature-packed Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist high marks. This computerized sewing machine boasts a staggering 600 types of stitches, including 13 one-step buttonholes and 5 fonts for embroidering letters and numbers. It also includes 18 presser feet. The Singer 9960 has the ease-of-use features most sewers would expect from a pricier, more powerful machine. There's an automatic needle threader, automatic thread trimmer, speed control, top-loading bobbin, and a large sewing surface with an extension table. An autopilot function lets sewers take their foot off the pedal without missing a beat, and the needle can stop in the up or down positions. An LCD screen shows users which stitch they've selected, stitch length and width, and the recommended pressure foot. Reviewers enthusiastically embrace all these features, and they say the machine is smooth and quiet. The interior frame of the Singer 9960 is metal, and the machine comes with a limited 25-year warranty. While most users say it's high-end, there's also more that can go wrong with more complicated sewing machines like this one. We would love to hear which of these amazing sewing machines you'd like to get. Put that in the chat box below, and let's see what the majority of viewers like the most.